Alright everybody, today is going to be a day where this guy finally goes low. Where are the bad boys at? Okay, there goes 1, 2, 3, 4. They're scattered all over the back seat. We're about to do some coilover install today. On, what year is this?
2015, sir.
2015 Honda Accord Sport.
Never done before.
And it's, what we call these teen, teen, fuck.
Here you go, sir.
Street bases.
Your cooch.
There it
you
goes.
want an energy?
What is that?
Shifter? Change it.
Let me get, what does it look like?
It's black.
Well, first thing we're gonna do is check up the car. Do you know where to grab it from?
Yeah.
All right, well then do it. Go ahead.
Want to put blocks in the back? I want the walls. It's so that loud. Can never just.
You have your brake up, right? So then you're fine. You're grabbing that jack like you don't know what to do with a jack. You suck. Look at how stupid this guy is. Look at this. Look, watch, guys. Oh, you got it now? You were freaking lifting it up and it was just going right back down. It's not a cross, but alright.
I said it was a cross.
I didn't hear that part. Oh, you suck.
Hey, what size is that shit?
What?
19, 17?
You know we have like a machine gun that you can use? That's gonna take forever.
You're stupid. You're a dumb guy. He's a dumb guy. This guy, see if he puts the jack stand in the right spot. Let's look.
Bam.
Ooh, there you go. Alright. Now do the other side. There it is. Now just lower it on there. Lower it really slow so we make sure we don't break nothing.
Look at that. You're gonna fucking go to the street. Huh? You're gonna fall to the street.
So the first step we're gonna have to do is take off the coilover. Obviously remove the brake lines. This one. Gotta get a clip to get that one off, and then take off this and this, and then do the top. So we'll see about that right now. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is take off this brake line, this little bracket right here, and then we're gonna go again from there. Okay, we got that one out. Next thing we're gonna do is take out this one right here. I don't even know like what you call it, but we're gonna take it out. Alright, so take this off, this one, and then this one, and now all that's left is the top.
It's gonna be a little tough because the coilover is resting in that one bolt.
Nobody cares about what he says. Speak to the camera in your
Speak to the camera.
Not tell them where you from.
In my native tongue?
Yeah. Go ahead. To the camera.
To the camera. أنا أصلي من سوريا.
That's how you do it.
But like, get them something. Get them something. Like, get the people like something we want to hear on Call of Duty or some shit.
Oh, that's fucked.
That's fucked up.
Give it to them. This is what the people want to hear. Can you give it to them, please? Just say something like off the game.
Yeah.
Come on. This is what the people want to hear.
Ken, shut the fuck up.
Here's something for the people. I love Donald Trump.
Wait, did the camera hear that?
I don't know.
Wait, repeat it. Get closer and repeat it, please. No.
Yeah, I don't put that on the radio. I don't put that on the radio.
People have to know.
No, we don't. I don't want to be responsible for.
Ooh, ETR. Go record that. Boy.
That's why you need the other lens, dumbass.
No, the other lens is too close.
Almost further. It could get further distance there.
I know, but like you didn't get
Shut
it.
up!
No, my fault.
Do it. Do it.
I told them that we need to take off the. I thought it was the what's it called, but it's really the engine brace. I thought it was the strut bar, but now we're taking it off after 10 years of not doing it. I told them we need to do this. He don't listen to me. So we got everything. We got everything apart. The YouTube tells us to take off that and then that, but we don't want to do that because it's more work. Yeah, we don't want to do all that. We're trying to figure out how to get this up out of here, but we're not trying to do all that. No, we're trying. We're gonna get it. There it is. Look, we're working. Said we are not about to do all that extra stuff. My boy comes with the
Wait, it's not done yet though.
We're that's pretty much done. What the nights?
Yeah.
The nights. So pretty much all he did was put the crowbar right here in between there and then just pry it apart, bud. Pry it apart. The world would be a better place if you had a man in your life.
Big fact.
Yep, just make sure you got a friend with automotive experience.
So our little thing failed. We have to take out the extra crap that we didn't want to. It's alright. Shit happens. After years of struggling, we finally got it out. It took a whole lot of love and tender care to get this out.
Tender change and the process. We gotta cut an inch off the stock.
Stock what? Rubber stopper?
Rubber stopper.
Gotta cut an inch off of it. Please be careful with that young knife, bud.
Okay.
We do not need your hands. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Don't hurt yourself.
If you have a Honda, sell it now.
Repeat that, please.
If you have a Honda, sell it now.
Yeah, please.
You don't want these issues.
Please, because this is the hardest, like.
Yeah, this shit kind of annoying.
Like I have a G35 and stuff be hard, but I literally like this is the hardest process I've ever had with a car doing coilovers ever. Like, there's no reason why a brand new car should be this hard to change suspension. And you handed me this.
By the way, that was
honestly ridiculous.
One of my dad's.
All right, so basically he put it inside of this clamp so it keeps it together, compress it. Now he's like putting the top hat on it. Yeah. Cardi B's part of that song, the best part. Yeah. Please.
You can't sing for shit.
Be careful with me. That's how she sounds. She do it. My heart is like what?
It's like a package with a fragile lawn.
Be careful with me. What's that juice?
It's lube.
Juice?
Lube.
It looks like the Hulk's leftovers.
You really just said that.
Oh my.
This is the main event, what you guys all been waiting for. Is that an exhaust leak? So guys, we've come into an issue. This is a faulty asphalt. Like, do y'all see this? He dug in. Well, who's calling me?
Is that right, enough?
We
fine?
We fixed everything, guys. We're done.
I don't know how low that's gonna be.
We don't know how low it's gonna be, but it's gonna work for today. So go ahead and put it on, bud. And look at this gem. An unmolested S13 hatch that is in wonderful condition, that doesn't look like a piece of shit. It actually has cup holders. Whoa, cup holders, man. How do you feel to own a gem? Yes. RPF ones. How do you say that? Is it Inky or Inkai? How do you pronounce that?
Thank you.
Okay, like a normal person. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. Look at that JDM stands. Look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. There it is. Oh, look at them tails. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And then in the background, we have a completely destroyed S13 hatch. Are we going to be slammed or are we going to be a regular piece of car? I already know. It's going to be lower, but it's not going to be slammed. Just drop it. That's how you know it's done right. If you just let it slam. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. No, oh my god.
I dropped it.
Bought coilovers just to ride at stock height. No, why are you doing that test when not even low enough? Alright guys, hopefully soon we'll be able to make an update video saying slamming the Accord, but
That's
I don't know.
significantly a lot different, dude.
It's lower, but
Compared to that,
it's still trash. Yeah,
that's fine. That's all I need.
that dude. You bought coilovers to stay at stock height with trash fitment.
So did fucking I.
You have an LS swap. You're exempt. So you're dismissed.
That's,
Back to the piece of shit idiot, dumbass.
we didn't do it before and after, so folks, you can't tell.
Okay, look,
That is
hey
a
guys,
fucking
okay.
difference.
Before, after, because it's still wheel gap.
I want to do the back.
You need to just like stop being a little boo-boo boy. I don't care. You suck, dude. Did this whole install for nothing. Should just left on a stock suspension. Should have just left on a stock suspension if you want to stay that high. You should just cut the springs, honestly.
What is that?